You will see great deal Crock-Pot 7-quart oval manual slow cooker. Please check outline website. Crock-Pot 7-quart oval manual slow cooker. Stainless steel SCV 700 SBR. Has several good points. Spacious. This slow cooker has a 7-quart capacity, which can serve 9 people or fit a 7-pound roast. Manual control. You can set the cooking time to high for a quick meal or set it on low and let your dinner cook while you're at work. Warm setting. It features a convenient warm setting that keeps your food at an ideal serving temperature for as long as you need. One-pot cooking. This feature means there are fewer dishes to clean. Dishwasher Safe. Both the lid and removable stoneware are dishwasher safe, making cleanup easy. Sturdy build. Users have praised the slow cooker for its sturdy build. Easy cleanup. Users have also appreciated the easy cleanup process. Tender cooking results. One user particularly liked how tender the roast came out after 10 hours on low. These features make the Crock-Pot 7-quart oval manual slow cooker a great choice for your kitchen. However, it's always a good idea to check out reviews and consider your personal preferences before making a purchase. Enjoy your shopping. Please check website outline. You will see great deal.